We are just a few months away from the debut of the Galaxy S24 series, if the rumors are true. Accessory companies are evidently already preparing up for the release, and today a leaker Ice Universe shared screen protectors for the three phones with us. The first thing you can see from the picture is that the next Galaxy S24 phones will have the same general look as its predecessors, as previously leaked prototype units have shown. The regular and Plus models feature softened edges, but the Ultra keeps its predecessor's sharp corners. The new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU should power the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which has its own AI engine for generative AI and video night mode. Samsung might receive an overclocked version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 to provide quick performance on any Android phone, with at least a 30% performance improvement for the CPU and a 25% performance boost for the Adreno GPU versus the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The Galaxy S23 Ultra curved screen, which already featured flatter edges than the Galaxy S22 Ultra, has been dropped. When you compare the claimed protector for the Galaxy S24 Ultra with the protector for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, you'll note that the protector for the latter has a little curve along the side. Aside from that, the protectors appear to be in line with reports that the phones would have symmetrical bezels that may be a hair thinner than the current generation, and while it is not readily apparent in the images, the Galaxy S24 has a slightly larger screen and may be taller and slimmer. The other two models are said to be thicker than their predecessors. The most visible difference is the Galaxy S24 Ultra's flat screen, which most potential purchasers would undoubtedly be delighted to see depart. While curved screens are visually beautiful, they are a bit annoying in use due to accidental touches. Curved screens are particularly difficult to put screen protectors to, and using a pen on them is difficult. However, curved screens make large phones, like as the 6.8-inch Galaxy S23 Ultra, more pleasant to carry. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.